Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Spectrum Fiber Internet in 2026, including the real speeds, pricing and availability, and whether it is actually worth it. So Spectrum promotes high-speed internet, but it is truly fiber or just upgraded cable. Let's break it down step by step. So here, as you can see, I'm currently on spectrum.com and we are talking about Spectrum Fiber Internet. So first of all, let's understand how Spectrum Fiber Internet actually works. So Spectrum mostly uses a hybrid network where fiber runs to a local node and then cable connects to your home. In some limited areas, true fiber to the home is available, but that's not everywhere yet. Now, speed typically starts around 100 Mbps and it can go up to 1 Gbps, with some locations offering up to 2 Gbps. The download speeds are stronger and stable, but the upload speeds are usually lower as compared to the full fiber services. Over here, when you scroll down a bit, you will come to know the pricing as well. So as of 2026, the pricing of the Spectrum Fiber Internet starts with as low as $30 per month for the basic plan, about $50 for the mid-tier speeds, and around $70 for the gigabit plans. There is no contract, and most of the plans include unlimited data. Now here on the top, you will see this type of section where you can basically enter your street address, your zip code, and then check the availability. So Spectrum is basically widely available across many parts of the United States that make it one of the most accessible internet providers. However, true fiber coverage is still limited to the specific areas. So now the question is, should you go for this or is it actually worth it in 2026? So in my opinion, Spectrum is a good choice if you want reliable internet with no contracts and decent speeds. But if full fiber is available in your area, that will usually give you better performance, especially for the uploads and the low latency. So if this video helped you understand the Spectrum Fiber Internet better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.